Oh my God. What's up, Radley? How you doing, boo? How's it going? Yeah? Having a good morning? Would you like to get out of my way? Here's a good bunny. Yeah, that's a good rabbit. Thank you. Yeah? You were chatty today. What's that about? What's going on? Meow, meow. What do you want, boo? You're fed? You had spankings? I don't know what else. Rabbit? What do you want, bunny? It's not gum, is it? Oh, this Diet Coke I can't open. No? It's probably not that. Uh-oh. It's not gum, is it? Well, what is it? What do you want, Bill? Well, I don't understand. You're out of control in the mornings. Yeah. You're cute. It's true. Okay. I know, baby. Yes. Dude. Yeah. You're a good bunny. You're a good bunny, boo. Yeah. Are you all meowed out? I doubt it, but yeah, I'll take it.